Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Factorize the expression. And we've been given the expression 15t squared plus 2t minus 1. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Factorization is the process of expressing an algebraic expression as the product of fundamental components or factors. It is effectively the inverse operation to expansion and asks us to identify common terms or structures to reconstruct brackets within the expression. The expression we've been given is a quadratic, 15t squared plus 2t minus 1. To factorize a quadratic, we need to find two factor pairs that we can use to form two binomial expressions inside each set of brackets. Answering this question is a three-step process. First, we need to find factor pairs for the coefficient of t squared, which is 15, and factor pairs for the constant term, which is minus 1. Then, we need to identify which two pairs of factors give us the coefficient of the t term, which is 2, before arranging these values into two brackets that can then be expanded to give us the expression in the question. Factor pairs of 15 are 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. Factor pairs of minus 1 are 1 and minus 1. The middle term has a coefficient of 2, so we need factors with a difference of 2, which in this case is 3 and 5. Arranging these values into two brackets with a 3t term in the first and a 5t term in the second, we need to arrange 1 and minus 1 such that when we expand the expression, the middle term is 2t. Subtracting 3 from 5 gives us 2, which means 3 must be multiplied by minus 1. So we need a 1 in the first bracket and minus 1 in the second. That gives us the factorized expression and product of two binomial expressions, 3t plus 1 multiplied by 5t minus 1. We can expand this expression to check that it gives us the expression we started with. 3t multiplied by 5t is 15t squared. 5t multiplied by 1 plus 3t multiplied by minus 1 is 2t. And 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. As an extension to this question, if this quadratic expression is set equal to 0, can you find both values of t that satisfy that equation. Drop your answer in the comments. So, the factorized expression and the answer to this question is 3t plus 1 multiplied by 5t minus 1. Visit our website at mathsdepot.com for more maths content.